Warning, this video is not suitable for anyone under this age. Viewer discretion is advised. Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is UltraSonicHero, and on today's video, I'm going to be doing something completely different for this channel. Today, I am going to be sharing some of my sound effects that I've created over the months. Now, these sound effects that I've made, they were used with different varieties of effects, such as noise gates, reverbs, and compressors. So if you ever want to use them for your videos, make sure that you ask me permission on Discord and on Gmail, and don't forget to give me credit to whoever made these sound effects, in person and in advance. Thank you very much. Now, I know that this video is going to be shorter than my other videos that I've done, but this is something new that I've wanted to try out for a while. I mean, it's good to experiment new things on the platform, right? One last thing before we start on the video. I will also be adding some of my music to the sound effects if you want them as well. Like I said, ask permission on Gmail and Discord before using them and give credit to whoever made the sound effects. Capiche? Good. Right, with that being said, enjoy the video. Oh, crap. Damn it. Perfect! Woo!
Wow!
Hello and welcome! Shut up and get on with it! Why? Why? Silence!